So we're headed off to a gold town, but I forgot my glasses, so now we got to go back and grab my sunglasses. El Stupido. Anyways,
only 5 minutes.
I will be more responsible in the future. Yeah. But hopefully I just grab my glasses, and then we're gonna head off to a gold town up in the mountains about an hour east of Ensenada. And I did a little research on the town, looked at some old photos, and it was actually even Pedro, the guide friend of ours, who's taken us out there, and Irma, the young lady from the coffee shop I met down here, that it used to be actually the capital of Baja Mexico at one point. It was a gold and silver mining town out in the middle of the mountains out there. But anyways, Wanagi's joining us, and we'll be there hopefully shortly, and then I'll do some drone shots, and we brought the metal detector just to see what we could find out there. All right. So we're on the way. See, I noticed I have my sunglasses on now. Pedro took the irresponsible man back to get his sunglasses, so we're good now. And we're headed up through Ensenada, the back roads up into the mountains back behind us here. And that's about an hour drive, thereabouts, maybe 55-minute drive. And we got special permission, which is a key. The key for the special permission is bringing cervezas, so beers for the local. And that'll get us permission to be able to go out there and have fun and maybe do some metal detecting and stuff. So we'll turn you back on when we get back out that way or see something interesting. What do you think, Wanagi? She's just happy to be out of that RV like I am. We needed a distraction from life because, like you may know from earlier video or just what's been going on lately, is the truck ended up blowing up. So we're just struggling with that fact and how life changes sometimes. But like I said, it's good to get out and get distracted and do something fun for the day, and that's what we're doing. It's a bumpy road. We're on the dirt. Bumpy and muddy. That's the town, the sign for the town. A shepherd, sheep herder. There's all the boys hanging out in the puddles. Hey guys, what's going on? All right. Yeah.
Ready to take sail, swept by current, swallowed by a wave. Take heed, they'll say, no, no, no need to get out, just stay on a lovely holiday. Our love is easy lasting.
Sapilotes, vultures. Sapilotes. And some flying up in the air. All around. You don't want to be the one they're circling. That wouldn't be good. Old windmill. Pretty cool. This is the beginning of the town here that we're coming into. And this kind of old remnant structure, adobe structures, and that have been kind of rebuilt, refound.
Island, only grains of sand. You and me made
too bad. Come on.
Swept by current, swallowed by wave. Take heed, they'll say, no, no, no need to get out. Just stay on a lovely holiday.
Well, we came, we saw, we conquered. We ended up, there were some vicious dogs and we couldn't get out of the car, literally. But we ended up going up here on the hill, and I kind of shared the metal detector with Pedro and Irma, and I let them find some coins, which was kind of fun. I'm sorry I didn't film that, but it's fun. We had a good day, got away from the Ford dealership RV place, and the sun's starting to get setting down here. It's not going to be dark for a while, but we're going to head back towards Ensenada, call it a day. But it was good to get out with these guys and have a little playtime. Wanagi got a little playtime outside too. So, all right, we'll check in later. Yo, hey, how's it going? We're just kicking back on the beach. Wanagi's right next to me. We're just getting some sun. It's been raining quite a bit down here, so we were kind of trapped in the camper at the Ford dealer still. The updated news is now the company that did the oil change, we're waiting on them. Their insurance company's got a hold of me. I've given them all the documents, all the photos, the videos I've taken, and all the information I could. And then now we just gotta wait. We were gonna have to tow the car back to the US is what I was told, which is gonna be a significant cost, but that's what we might have to do, because the insurance company was saying they didn't have an appraiser that could come down here to see the car because it's not in the US and their policy's only US. But then he contacted me again and said to wait off on the tow because he might have someone that could do it. And that was yesterday mid-afternoon. And he was supposed to give me a call back, and of course probably got busy, and you know, his insurance company, so I'm sure he's dealing with multiple claims. But anyways, so it's about 10:30, 11 today. It's a Wednesday, and so we're hoping maybe in the next hour we'll hear from him. If we don't, we'll give him a call, find out if we have to tow the car back to the US, or if they have someone that'll come down here and do the appraisal on the car. So well, that's about it. Literally. Our taco place, that we went to another taco place yesterday and we shared that kind of with you. The tacos were so good. But we're going to our favorite one today because they're open. So on the way back to the truck, we're down at the beach. Just Wanagi, she needed to get out and run, you know. She loves getting out on the beach and running along the shore, the ocean. We ran all the way down there, and we came from all the way down there. And it's about probably 1.5 miles. So she got almost 2 miles in and just running and sniffing and digging and being a dog. And so that's good. So I'm just happy I'm here with her. She's here with me. You know, I don't know how I would handle the situation if I didn't have her with me. She's just my little buddy. She's such a gift, and I'm so grateful for that. And I'm so grateful that we're not having rain today. I get to sit and get some sunshine. She gets some sunshine, and we really needed that. It was getting a little grim sitting in that trailer, just kind of stuck in there. And so yeah, that's all. I think we're gonna hit some tacos on the way back, so I'll definitely be filming part of that, at least showing you what they look like and give you an appraisal. But it's my favorite taco place. It's so good, so good. But anyways, yeah, that's it. So we're gonna enjoy some more sunshine and then head on towards the taco place. So we'll see you in a bit. Hey, how's it going? So we're at this place. It's called Zarpazo, and this is my favorite taco so far in Ensenada. So we got the avadabo,
and the carne asada. I probably butchered the abobada. Abobada tacos, carne asada tacos, and then we got some lime. I always put a little bit of salt on there because salt brings out the flavor and the spices in the Mexican food. But check these things out. Look, these are the abobado, and they got like a guacamole on there. It's like a pork that's on this rotisserie that's raw, and then these carne asada, and they always put beans on them. And then I put some of these onions on there. We're gonna throw some lime juice on there and dig in. So first we'll try the carne asada. I've tried them before, but just to kind of let you guys enjoy me eating them. Anyways, look at these things, they're fat. They're like 30 pesos, which is approximately $1.50 a taco. Oh yeah. So good. Oh my God. Seriously, you guys, come to Ensenada. Tacos galore. All right. You hear that jet engine in the background? That's the abobada that spins around on this rotisserie in the meat, and then he just cuts it off into the tacos. So we'll put a little lime juice on there. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, it's so good. This is my favorite. So good. Yeah. All right, we're gonna keep munching. We'll see ya. We got a little Fresca soda pop to wash it all down with. And Wanagi always gets little tidbits out of it. So, peace out.